Morning, my name is the Old Mechanic and I'm still busy on my Kawasaki VN 1500 Vulcan. Really nice bike, nice shopper. What are we gonna do today? Today I'm gonna show you how you can do your own brake fluid. That's very easy. To be really honest, this bike is from 1988 and watch. Come on over and I'm gonna show you. First thing we're gonna do is make sure that the reservoir is nicely horizontal. So it needs to be a bit so that's what we're gonna do first. To get the reservoir nicely horizontal, we need an Allen key of 5. We unscrew it and slowly. Now, this is the horizontal position. Now we're gonna cover everything because brake fluid is very aggressive. So sure everything is perfectly covered. Okay. I think over here is a good place. Paper, a Phillips screwdriver, first I'm gonna check this one on this side. It's really nice. This we have to clean, no problem. Okay. As you can see, it's really necessary. Yeah, this brake fluid is really old. First thing we're gonna do is suck out as much of old brake fluid as we can. Nicely. Now we're gonna give this a good clean. I always use Castrol React Performance .4 because it's a good brake fluid. I'm gonna put it in a smaller container so I can, like this, pour it easy in. Okay, now guys, with this one we put the cap back on the lid, as otherwise it shoots out. First thing we do is take that rubber cap off. We have my homemade canister. We need a wrench of 10. Up, open, close. We're gonna attach my hose onto the bleeding screw. Now guys, squeeze the handle, go to your wrench, 10 mil, and press power, close, open, close. Okay, open, close. This one netjes in the middle. Okay, open, close. open, close, open, close. Pumping a few times, open, close. Okay, open, close, open, close. Now have a look. Let's see. No, it's squirted. Shoot it out. Give it a quick fill. Okay. Put this one back on top. And we continue. Open, close. Already sense, watch, there was some air trapped. You can see it over there, bubbles coming out. Now it's over here. And a moment ago it was somewhere over there. See? Which is good, very good. Gonna fill it till it's on that ridge. And we normally stay a bit underneath, but with this bike, with this reservoir, you don't need that. Okay, be sure to give this a good clean. Yes, then we have that wonderful rubber thing. Or some towel into there, paper. Yep. Inside, outside. A good clean. Be sure, there's a bit of white powder. That edge, very important. I mean, this edge. Okay, where the screws are. So, then turn it inside out. Give this a good clean too. Okay. Oh, then like this. And now this one really good clean too. Over there, here we have a slit, and there, be sure it's nicely open. Okay, this one too. Hop, this one. That was a bit. Okay. Nicely opened. Then we're gonna slide in that wonderful rubber thing. Be sure the signs are to the good position. Put this one on top. And of course, what I always do, give them a tiny bit of grease, so in time you're gonna get them out. Tight. but not too tight. Now it's here nicely firm. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we're gonna put this one. Kijk, needs to be a tiny bit. Even kijken, I think it's this one. I always do it like this, so you can have a good feeling. Better put the bike straight up. Have a look. Yes. Let's feel it. Yes. Yeah, this is. Okay, now. So guys, I often do a final check. If you have a winch or another way to get your front wheel off the ground, it's a great way to see if your calipers are, the pistons are sticking. Come on, and I'm gonna show you. First we get the front wheel off the ground. Even kijken. Hop. Now it's off the ground. Now give it a swing. Holy shit. And see. To be really honest, this bike is from 1988, and watch how good that front caliper is. Normally they release the pressure, retract a tiny bit your brake pads, but you always hear them sliding, scraping, a bit of noise making onto the disc. And listen to this one. Barely nothing. Wow. Those pistons retract absolutely perfect. A lot of bikes these days don't do it that well. I can assure you that. So, +1 Kawasaki, well done. Meanwhile, you can give your front stanchions a wipe and see if your seals don't leak. They don't. Oh, perfect. Okay, now let's move on to the rear brake.